Hi everyone, I'm selling my 2012 Toyota RAV4 V6 Limited in Barcelona Red Metallic with ash interior. It's a four-wheel drive SUV that's powered by a 3.5 liter V6 engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission which delivers 269 horsepower. Features specific to this trim level include 6.1-inch touchscreen display with navigation and Bluetooth wireless streaming, USB port with iPod connectivity, leather heated front seats, 8-way power driver seat with lumbar support, smart key system with push button start, dual automatic climate control, backup camera, headlights with auto on and off feature, and lastly, chrome accented grille. The vehicle also comes with some nice accessories. You get two one-way remote starters, both sets of key fobs, hood deflector, roof rack with crossbars, Toyota installed hitch for bicycles, winter tires on rims. They are in great condition with about 13,000 kilometers worth of driving, and the all-season tires are in good condition and have about 30,000 kilometers worth of driving. It has just under 142,000 kilometers. It has been serviced regularly throughout ownership at Mayfield Toyota, now West Edmonton Mall Toyota. Here are some nice screenshots showing the service history. And when looking at the Carfax, it shows a clean history with no accidents, which is what you want for a vehicle like this. This is a private sale. If you're interested in this vehicle, call or text me at 780-952-4556 or email chrisbutton91@gmail.com. Check the description field for more information about this vehicle. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.